Hi friends, let me see how to give box shadow for our element. So I just created one div with class shadow class. So I have given just small styles like height, width and background color for this particular div. So let me start to give box shadow. Before that, a box shadow have 5 different parameters. First one is for horizontal offset. Let me try it out. Box shadow. First I want to give horizontal offset. I am just giving horizontal offset as 3 pixel. Okay. Then second parameter is vertical offset. Again I am giving 3 pixel. Just save. Just I give. See. I got 3 pixel box shadow in right side and also in bottom side. The first parameter is for horizontal offset and second parameter, this 3 pixel, is for vertical offset. If I am giving in positive value, I mean I gave 3 pixels, so it came for right side shadow, and in second parameter for vertical offset I gave 3 pixel in positive, so it came for bottom. See, I just giving negative for first horizontal offset. So it just come for left side. So plus 3 pixel is for right side, minus 3 pixel is for left side. And then 3 pixel. So plus 3 pixel is for bottom. I mean for a vertical offset. Plus 3 pixel is for bottom and minus 3 pixel is for, yes, top. I hope you understand this. Let me move on to third parameter, and before that this first parameter horizontal offset and vertical offset, second parameter, is mandatory. Just I am giving only 3 pixel here, means just I am passing only one parameter, means it won't show any result, because for box shadow 2 parameters, I mean horizontal offset and vertical offset, is mandatory. Let me add third parameter, it's optional parameter, blur radius. So I just giving blur radius 2 pixel. So you can see the difference between normal box shadow and after giving 2 pixel blur. You can see blur option at the corner of the shadow. Okay, then fourth parameter is for spread radius. This time I am giving spread radius as 2 pixel. 2 pixel. Just watch here. So that 2 pixel radius, blur radius, is spreaded to next 2 pixels. So that's spread radius. Okay. Then in fifth parameter is for color. I just giving just I am selecting from here. Just I am giving color is blue. Just save. So the color of the shadow have been changed. So box shadow is compatible with all new browsers. Anyway, just we are adding WebKit box shadow. The same. This WebKit is for making box shadow compatible with our Safari and iOS browsers. And then Moz is for Mozilla Firefox. So again same. Okay, let me give color change of this border by giving HOR effect. Okay, shadow class colon h over. Just I am giving box shadow option. Let me change color. Just I'm choosing color from here. Okay. Okay. Normally we have blue color. On mouse over we got green color. So I hope you understand the box shadow effect. I will catch you in next video. Thank you.